Good morning guys, and welcome by a new video. Today it's Sunday, so that means Sunday fun day. I'm at the shop right now to grab my bike and go to meet up with some other guys, and yeah, we'll just have some fun on Sunday. But it's pretty cold, so that's why I have my jacket on. We'll practice some wheelies today.
This one, girl. Keep on moving the wind. That's the limit, break the track. Falling down the rise again. Supermoto in the wind.
No one's gonna hold you down. You're the king of this ghost
mess in the wind.
We got some new parts. They are from Back 3D. I think you say like that, but wait, let me take that out of my mouth. We got some new parts. It's from Back 3D. Can you see it? And these what they are, I already opened them because I was curious how it looked. These are for on the bar ends, so butts, and on that side. And we got the axle sliders for the front and for the rear. Bada bing, bada boom. I feel like a cheerleader, like, oh no, that's not a cheerleader, that's the girl from the band. You get what I'm saying. The cool part about these things is that on this side, oh wait, I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the inside they wrote if it's for the front or for the back tire, so you can't mess that up. So that's amazing. And I'm gonna start off with putting these on the handlebars, but I just saw my bike's a bit dirty because I went for a ride. You just saw that, so that's why it's a bit dirty, but anyway, we're gonna put these on. First step you have to do to put these on is make a hole in your bar ends, but mine are already pretty fucked up. So can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So I don't have to do that. The only thing that I have to do right now, is trim them a bit because there is too much rubber on the side. Damn, that looks disgusting. But anyway, the inside is a bit dirty. But anyway, I'm gonna trim off this and I'll put that piece back on, and then we do the other side. Okay, this is pretty fucked up. But normally I always carry my pocket knife for moments like this. Apparently I forgot it this time, so I'm gonna cut it off with this, and I hope I don't fuck it up as bad. If I do, too bad. I have a few spare grips in the cabinet, so let's see what comes out of this. If you ask me, that's pretty decent. But what you do now is you screw this all the way to the back, but without any pressure. When you feel it, okay, it's on the end, you put it in halfway. Wait, gonna put it halfway, just a tip. then screw a bit harder, so you feel a bit of pressure when you put it in. Wait, a bit more, and then you just do it like this. Bam! Now you can turn it harder and the inside will push against the bar, so that will go nowhere. And you do the same on the other side. Now I have to get rid of these, drill a hole through it, and put the axle slider through it, because if you crash and this hits the ground, your bars won't get damaged, but this will, and that's why we have these. On the other side you have to get rid of this one, because this whole part will slide in and will fit perfect. So what I have to do next is drill a hole in this bolt, and in the center it goes in, so like a V shape. So if I drill, it will always be perfect in the middle, so that's great. It's pretty fucked up how I'm gonna do this, but my shop is not finished, so I don't have like the thing on the bench you can screw it in and lock it in, so I have to do it like this, really ghetto. Oh damn, that was easy. I thought it would be like way harder. Let's check the size, and it will be, it's 11.7, but I will drill with a 12 millimeter, so it has like a bit of space, but not that much. I have to go real quick to my parents' house for grabbing a drill. This is pretty ghetto. This is awful. Don't do it like this, guys. Just clamp it in the bench and drill it. Do it safe and not like I just did. Because this is really awful. We got a drill, but it's not the size that we need. It's an 8 and we need a 12, but I can't get my hands on a 12 right now, so I have to do a bit of improvisation, but we will work it out. But again, if you try this or you buy these bike protectors yourself, please do it how it should be. To protect your gear, your tools, your bike, everything. So this is not the way you should do it. Okay, got it. I used a file to make it a bit bigger. So now what I can do is, oh wait, I just realized I have to put this in and then screw it on by hand. Okay, wow. Okay, let's do this. Okay, what I have to do now is shove this part right in there. I took the cap off, so that piece here will slip in perfect. And then I have to screw this part in here, and then my front tire is done. I'm gonna do the back tire. That's a pretty important part, if you ask me. Bada boom, bada boom. So we have to unscrew this bolt, then make a hole in it and do exact the same thing as we did on the front side. Drill a hole, put the axle slider through it, screw it on, and that's it. And then your bike is safe. As you can see, the bolt is in, so it should fit right now. And just like that, you put it in, and then it comes out the other side and twist it together. I prefer to do this side first because then I know the bolt inside here is locked in, and then do this side by hand, and then it should be completely, yeah, looks about it. I want to thank Back 3D for sending me the bar ends, these beautiful parts, and that one, and for the axle sliders on the front and on the back. So that means if I crash my bike now, she won't get damaged, only the bar ends and the axle sliders, and that's what they're made for. So that's amazing. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, make sure to check their site out because they make amazing stuff. They also have like a pretty cool license plate holder for under the bike. Fortunately, we were not allowed in the Netherlands to ride with that. I wish we could, but it is what it is because it looks way better than the license plate holder that we have. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching the video, and if you liked it, leave a like and leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe for the next video.